Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of snakes. Whether you love them or fear them, snakes are truly remarkable creatures. So, let's slither into some intriguing facts about these amazing reptiles. Did you know that snakes don't have eyelids? Instead, they have a transparent scale called a spectacle or brill that covers and protects their eyes. This means they never blink. One of the most incredible things about snakes is their ability to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Thanks to their highly flexible jaws, they can stretch their mouths wide open to accommodate their meal. Some snakes, like pit vipers, boas, and pythons, have special heat-sensing pits on their faces. These pits help them detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. Talk about a superpower! Snakes shed their skin periodically in a process called ecdysis. This not only allows them to grow, but also helps remove parasites. It's like getting a brand new outfit. Snakes have unique ways of moving. Depending on the terrain and their species, they can use lateral undulation, sidewinding, concertina, or rectilinear motion. Each movement is perfectly adapted to their environment. Snakes don't have external ears, but they can sense vibrations through their jaw bones. This helps them detect prey and predators. It's like having a built-in alarm system. Now let's take a look at some of the most interesting snakes out there. First up, the king cobra. Known as the world's longest venomous snake, it can reach up to 18 feet in length. Its venom is potent enough to kill an elephant, but it primarily feeds on other snakes. Next, we have the anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes in the world. Found in South America, these giants can weigh over 500 pounds or over 220 kilograms and grow up to 30 feet or 9 meters long. They are powerful constrictors, capable of taking down large prey like deer and caimans. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most feared snakes in Africa. It can slither at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and has a highly toxic venom. Despite its fearsome reputation, it usually avoids human contact. Coral snakes are known for their bright, colorful bands. Their venom is extremely potent, but they are shy and rarely bite humans. Coral snakes are found in both the Old World, Asia, and the New World, Southern United States, Central and South America. The New World species are generally more venomous. Sea snakes are fascinating creatures that live in the ocean. They have adapted to life in water with flattened tails for swimming and can hold their breath for up to 2 hours. Their venom is highly toxic, but they are generally not aggressive towards humans. And finally, let's talk about the python. Pythons are non-venomous constrictors found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They can grow to impressive lengths, with the reticulated python being the longest snake in the world, reaching over 30 feet or 9 meters. Pythons are known for their incredible strength and ability to take down large prey. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of snakes. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal and science content. See you next time on Amazing Junior Science.